Happy Friday, mid-Missouri. This is the batch of shower activity that we were tracking early this morning, or I should say through mid-morning to midday for folks south of I-70. It's now getting out of here. We're looking at clearer skies, some partly cloudy skies here this evening. We'll drop those out of the forecast overnight into tomorrow. We've got a chance for some spotty sprinkles overnight, but as we get towards tomorrow, again, we're starting the day 7 a.m. Clear skies. We'll pick up partly cloudy skies throughout the day, just a few cumulus clouds building, and then we've got some activity rolling in from the north. Again, could bring us a spot chance for rain, a few rumbles of thunder. That's about it. It's a mostly dry day on Saturday, and temperatures are mild. Enjoy it. We're in the upper 80s. As we head into Sunday, we're closer to 90s, low 90s, but still, it's an improvement over what's to come. We're looking hot heading into next week. We've got high pressure building in. What we're currently in, and the reason we have these spotty rain chances, is this northwest flow. It tends to be pretty active. It brings in these little disturbances that you see here, this yellow to red. That's weak to strong in terms of our disturbance that we're tracking. So we'll see some of that activity as long as we're in this northwest flow, but high pressure is building in. That will have temperatures climbing before we see the high pressure directly overhead, and we may never get that high pressure directly overhead. We're kind of on the fringe, and what that means is, well, rain chances are a bit questionable because as long as we stay right on the edge of that high pressure, we're kind of exposed to the jet stream. It doesn't have to be exactly northwest flow, could be maybe more westerly flow, but that could bring us chances for rain. What's still going to happen, though, is we're going to see heat building. So while we're confident in heat, our rain chances are less confident. And so you'll see slim chances throughout the week, and that's what that's really based on, is that lower confidence in exactly what we're going to get out of this system. But we see that heat building in throughout the week, and then we could see our northwest flow return as soon as Saturday. Again, that is still subject to change. But we are confident on the heat, and we're starting to become a bit more confident on the fact that we're going to have humidity with it. While the upper level high pressure is at the top of the atmosphere, at the bottom we're looking at, well, winds from the Gulf, and that could bring in moisture that could aid in high heat index values, and so that's what we're concerned with. Heading into next week, we've got temperatures this weekend in the 80s Saturday, near 90 on Sunday, but we're going to continue to consider that mild because as temperatures climb into the mid-90s, they're also going to be partnered with higher dew points. As we get into Tuesday, we're in the upper 60s for dew points, with dew points climbing to near 70 closer to Wednesday, and so that combination of the heat and humidity is going to make things quite uncomfortable and potentially dangerous. We've got that potential for midweek. Things aren't certain with what dew points will look like, but we are certain that this weekend is going to be much more comfortable than what we have heading into days like Wednesday and Thursday, especially, where temperatures are forecast in the upper 90s. We could see some low 100s there, especially in places further to the south.